Hey guys, today we are discuss about AT1 tablet. The generic name of AT1 tablet is lorazepam. In this video, we will discuss about the side effect of AT1 tablet, the uses of AT1 tablet, the doses of AT1 tablet, and interaction and commonly asked question about AT1 tablet. The AT1 tablet is manufactured by Pfizer Limited. The AT1 tablet is benzodiazepine class drug. It is used for the treatment of anxiety and depression and insomnia, and it is used for sedation before surgery and the dental procedure. The medicine may increase the risk of habit forming tendency if taken for a longer duration of a longer doses. Do not stop suddenly taking the medicine as may cause withdrawal symptoms like convulsions, behavior disorder, tremors. Firstly, we used for anti-1 tablet for anxiety disorder. About of anxiety disorder is the difficulty in sleeping, sweating of hands and feet, some uneasiness, and the fear of brain. Like anxiety disorder, the medicine is used in the treatment of anxiety disorder, and other cases it is used for the insomnia. Insomnia is generally about sleeplessness, and characters of insomnia is troubling falling asleep, etc. And the third uses of AT1 tablet is preoperatic sedation. The medicine may be used as the sedative before surgery and the dental procedure. And the uses are three uses are discussed about, and the side effect of drowsiness, blurred vision, confusion, dry mouth, headache, constipation, weakness, rapid weight gain, and the shaking of hands and feet. These side effects are rare side effects. And the most commonly asked question about AT1 tablet is the first question is it safe to consume alcohol while taking this medicine? The consumption of alcohol is not recommended during treatment with this medicine. And the second one is this a habit forming medicine? Yes, habit forming tendency were reported in same cases, especially if the use is for a longer and extended period of time. Can this medicine be taken during pregnancy? This medicine is not recommended for use in pregnancy women unless absolutely necessary. And how long do the effect of this medicine last? The effect of this medicine lasts from an average duration of 12 to 24 hours. The warnings about AT1 tablet is this medicine may cause dizziness or drowsiness in some patients. It is advised that you do not perform any activities that requires high mental alertness like driving and vehicle or operating machinery. If you experience any of these symptoms during treatment with this medicine, and about use in children, this medicine is not recommended for the treatment of anxiety or sleeping problems in patient less than 5 years of age, since the safety and the efficacy of use are not clinically established. And it is all about of AT1 tablet. I discuss in this video AT1 tablet uses, side effect and withdrawal symptoms, warnings, and some commonly asked question and concerns. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel.